Children, let us go to the second part now. Already we have seen this is the personal experience of the author, and he imagined himself as a boy, and his name was Arun. He was 12 years old. He has given experience. What are the things he has seen on the platform number 8 at Ambla railway station? He has narrated his experience as a story to us. Okay, now we have to go for the second part. The first part we have seen, he was a boy of 12 and he was waiting in the railway station in the platform number 8. So in the meantime, he was have a chance to meet with a lady. She is with the white saree. She is only 30 years old, and she took him to the railway canteen. She provides something that is samosa, bhaji, etc. And after the train has come, in the meantime, his friend Satish, he was the same age of him. He came along with his mother to the same railway station, and both are studying in the same school only. So till that we have seen. Now we have to go to the second part. Second part, what has happened? In the second part, the same like only. They both met together. That is Satish and Raskin. That is Arun is named there. So both met together. They share their experiences. They get into the train, and Satish's mother asked, "She is your mother?" That is the new lady. She is a stranger. No. Satish's mother asked that new lady, that to the Arun, whether she is your mother. Before the author said, the lady said, "Yes, I am his mother." So actually she was a strange lady. So the Satish mother questioned only Arun, whether she is your mother. Before he answered, that is whether before the author or Arun answered, the lady said, "Yes, he is my son." So that shows her simplicity and kindness towards the boy. Maybe she would have lost something else in a well, we don't know what's the flashback, because already in the beginning we have seen she seems to be 50, though she is 30 years old. Maybe that's the reason. Maybe she would have lost her son, we don't know. But the thing is, they got into the train, they discussed, and like mother, how she is giving send-off to us, the same like the new lady, the strange lady has given the send-off to author. This is the second part we have to say now. As usual, you have to underline the important points. And now let us go there. So what are the characters we have seen? Here, the boy Arun and his friend Satish. Okay, yeah. Then Satish came with his mother. Arun was, nobody accompanied him. A strange lady only helped him to do. So this thing now, how they are getting into the train from the railway station. Here immediately Satish said, he said Arun, and he introduced his mother. She is my mother. And the same time he introduced Arun also to the mother. He said, he is my friend. We both are studying in the same school only. That time only Satish's mother questioned whether she is your mother. Before Arun answered, she said, "Yes, I am his mother." Like our mother give a send off, she gives. Now see what's the conversation between them. So, "Hello Arun," he called. Who called? Satish. "The train is coming late as usual. Did you know we have a new headmaster this year?" So they both are in the same school only, no? So they discuss about the school. Satish said, a new headmaster is going to come to the school. So new headmaster, this the character said by whom? This dialogue said by Satish. New headmaster has come to our school. This is by whom? By Satish, I said. Okay, he said to Arun, he conveyed Arun that a new headmaster has come to our school. So immediately what he said, "I am glad to know that." Then they introduced. He said, "This is Arun's mother. He is one of my friend and the best bowler in the class." Arun not only a best student, he was a bowler also. You know what's the term for bowler? That is in the cricket we used to do, no? Cricket, bowler. He was the best bowler, Arun. Satish introduced Arun to his mother. He was my best friend as well as best bowler in the school. So immediately mother said, and without knowing that, he introduced that lady also, this is Arun's mother. So immediately Satish's mother said, "I am glad to know that." This is by whom? Satish's mother. Glad to know what? About that is Arun is a bowler, as well as this is Satish's mother. As well as the lady is his mother. Okay, because they both introduced themselves, no. She said, "I am glad to know that." Then, "And suppose you are Arun's mother," the lady asked. Then Arun supposed to open the mouth. Supposed to means what? About to open the mouth. But the lady said, yes, I am Arun's mother. The lady said, yes, I am Arun's mother. I was unable to speak a word. I looked quickly at the woman, but she did not appear to be all embarrassed and was smiling at Satish's mother. She said, as if she is the mother, she introduced herself and no guilty in her face. Satish's mother said, it's such a nuisance having to wait for the train in the middle of the ride, but one cannot leave the child wait here alone. What Satish's mother said, it's boring only to wait in the railway station, but how can we leave our child? எப்படி நம்ம குழந்தைய நம்ம தனியாக விட்டுட்டு போக முடியும்? That too during night time, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock like. Because anything can happen to a boy in the big station like this. There are so many suspicious characters hearing about. Suspicious means what? That is suspectable. We may doubt about the person. Doubting persons are known as suspicious characters maybe. So we should not leave our children alone. So who said like that? Satish's mother. So this woman said, Arun can travel alone, though the woman beside me, and somehow I felt grateful to her for saying that. Even what said, okay, generally we have to accompany with the children only, but Arun can travel by himself. He doesn't want anybody's support, he said. Okay. Then they advised, be careful, Arun, said Satish's mother, looking sternly through her spectacles. Be very careful when your mother is not with you and never talk to the strangers. Satish's mother said, this is a new railway station. You no need to talk to the strangers because they may kidnap us, they may harm us in some other way. She said, be careful. Then immediately what Arun said, I like strangers. So why he said like that? I like strangers. Can you say why? Because she met a lady, she is a stranger. This is by whom I said, Arun. She met a lady, the lady was, though she is a stranger, she was very affectionate like a mother. So, because of this experience, he said, I like stranger. Then Satish's mother, she was somewhat thinking over what he is talking like that. She staggered and she was not used being contradicted by the small boys. There you are, you see, if you don't watch over them all the time, they will ask you straight into trouble. Always listen to what your mother tells you. Again she imposed her words. Always listen to the mothers. Don't look at the surroundings, don't depend on others, she said. I glared resentfully at her and moved closer to the woman who had befriended me. So when Satish was standing close to the mother, the same like Arun also, that is the author, he also went near the new lady, the stranger who was fed him with the samosas and other things. She was standing, he was standing beside her. The station bell changed and the people who had till now been squatting recently on the platform began hustling about. That is, the train started to move. Here it comes, shouted Satish. That is, the train arrives to the station now. The train comes to the correct part. So they were shouting, here the train has come. The train moved slowly into the station, the engine hissing and sending out waves of the steam. You know how the train reached. So the that is said as what? Waves of the steam. As it came to stop, Satish jumped on the footboard of a light compartment and shouted, come on Arun, this one is empty. So the train is halting now. So where it all the opposite to that, the compartment is entirely empty. So immediately first, who get into the compartment? Satish. And he said, Arun, come, this one is empty, we'll sit together. So immediately Arun also picked up this suitcase and went along with him. So they both went to that thing, sitting near the window side. Corner seat is there, no, they are sitting near the windows. And the two men stood outside, they were into the train. Who, Satish and Arun, they get into the train, they were sitting near the windows. But at the same time, the ladies, that is Satish's mother, and the stranger, that is the new lady, they both are standing outside and talking their personal stories. So, don't jump on and move off the trains, as you did just now. Who said like that? Satish's mother said, don't jump like this. Huh? Do not, we used to give the advices, no, mother used to give the advices. Like this, she said, don't jump on, don't get down, don't take your heads out of the windows. That is showing the hands and it's out of the window, and do not eat any rubbish on the way. This and all the advices given by Satish's mother. What are the advices given? No need to jump, don't show your hands outside, don't put your head outside. This and all she said. Not to eat any rubbish things. She allowed me to share the benefit of her advice and she probably did not think my mother a very capable person. Okay, she is handed Satish a bag of fruit. Then Satish's mother gave one bag of fruit, cricket bat and big box of chocolates. What are the things Satish's mother gave? Basket full of fruit, cricket bat and chocolates. These are given by Satish's mother and told him to share the food with me. And she said, what are the things you shared with your friend? Who is the friend there? Arun. Then she stood back from the window to watch my mother behaved. So as a mother, she gave all the things to Satish's son. But she is waiting what Arun's mother is going to give. Actually, she is not the Arun's mother. That who knows? The both know. But Satish's mother doesn't know about it. I was smarting under the patronizing tone of Satish's mother. And I did not intend to give other women away. At the same time, he doesn't want to give the respect to the thing. Okay, yeah. So I let her take my hand in hers, but I could think of nothing to say. Immediately, what's that lady, new lady? She doesn't have anything with her to give to the son. So she was holding the boy's hand and she was listening, standing for some time. So Satish's mother, she was staring at the new lady because she is not giving anything to the son. She gave a bag of fruits, chocolates and everything. But this lady, she didn't give anything to him. I looked straight into the eyes of the woman who held my hand and smiled in a gentle, understanding way. I leaned out of the window then and put my lips to her cheek and kissed her. So immediately, because so far she has given the affection to him. So what the boy did, what Arun did, he put his mouth outside and give a kiss to her. Okay, that shows the real affection, how it's shared. Though they are not given by the valuable things or eatable things, he just shows his gratitude by kissing the lady. The carriage jolted forward and she drew her hand away. Just started to move. The train started to move. She took the hands from him. Who took the hands? The lady, new ladies. She took the hands away from the Arun. So Satish said goodbye, the same like Arun also said goodbye, mother. Actually, she is not a mother, we know from the beginning. But he also said goodbye. So I don't want to wave or shout, but still in front of the window, gazing at the woman on the platform. Till the train moves from the heights, the lady was standing and looking at him. Satish's mother was talking to her, but she did not appear to be listening. Though Satish's mother is going on talking, she didn't even listen. She is looking at the train and looking at the boy only. So she was a sweet woman and watched her until she was lost in the milling crowd. Milling crowd means what? Thousands of crowd there. So in the crowd, she disappeared till the Arun watches. So this is the story. So you know what the thing? It's nothing else. Everybody, we too have the same experience. We too have how long we are waiting for the railway stations when you are going for some other places by train. The same experiences is given. But here the strange one is the lady who was a strange lady. Though she is a strange, she gives entire affection. She is not interested in any other way to grab the things from him. She has given the entire love to him. This may give some flashback to of her. We don't know about it. So is it clear, children? Let us see. Just recall what are the things. We have seen already. Choose the correct answers. Choose the correct answer and all. You no need to write in the classwork. You just put a tick in your books. It's in page number 31. First one I said, Satish's mother handed to her son. What are the things given there? Bag of pencil, bag of vegetables, big box of chocolates, cricket ball. Cricket bat only she gave. So option B, C is the correct answer. Big box of chocolates. All the other things we have seen, that belongs to the first part. Now match the following, will say woman in white. So what we have to say, options here: mother of Satish, boy of same age, dressed simply, waves of steam, Arun. So woman in white, dressed simply. This is the correct answer. Which is the correct answer for that? Option we know. She was simply dressed in white saree, we have seen. She doesn't have any jewels. What's the answer? Correct answer here? Dressed simply. Option C it is. Okay, yeah. Next one. Second chosen, that is matches train. From the remaining 4, we have to say which is the correct one. Train, that is waves of steam. Sorry, stream. Third one is bowler. Who's that? Arun. Your option is what? Arun only. And the fourth one is Satish. Who is he? Is a friend of Arun. Here, what are the things given there? Boy of same age. And the last one, we can pick the answer easily. Spectacles. Spectacles means nothing else. Specs. Mother of Satya. She wore. That strange lady is only with white saree. So spectacle, mother of Satish. Clear? So identify the characters. Let me see first one. I am glad to know that. So who said like that? In the first part we have seen already. Who said, I am glad to know that? When Satish introduced his friend and his mother, who said that thing? Satish's mother. So I am glad to the thing. Characters, identify the characters. First one, that is Satish's mother. Children, write the answers in the book itself. First one is what? Satish's mother. Next one, are you all alone, my son? Who asked? The strange lady. Strange lady with white saree. Okay, yeah. And the third one, yes, I am going to school. Who said? Arun. Arun said to the lady, yes, I am all alone, I am going to the school. And the fourth one, he is one of my friends. Who introduced? Satish introduced, he is one of my friend. And the last one is, goodbye mother. Who said? Both Arun and Satish. Both the boys. Goodbye said by both the boys. Clear? So, what are the things we come across? We have seen choose the correct answer, match the following. What are the characters you are identified? Next, we have to go for question and answers. Try to say by yourselves. Though I am teaching, just go through the thing. Usually in the class when I am questioned, you can answer me, no, like that. You have to say by yourself. You should think over what will be the answers because you got a clear picture of the lesson. Where was Arun sitting? Where was he sitting? He was sitting in the railway station, platform 8, the Ambla railway station. What was expected arrival time of the train? At 12 o'clock. So just go through the answers by yourself. Then what was the sight of Arun had seen on the platform? Just see the book. In the next class I will give the answers. What did this vendors sell? Vendors means what? Those who are selling the things. They sell almost all the things, biscuits, chocolates, like that. How did the woman appear? She appears to be very simple with the white saree. Where was Arun travelling to? Arun travelling to the school. What did the woman buy for him? I said already, samosas and other things. What was advice to Satish's mother? Not to look at outside. Don't put your hands out. This and all said by mother. What were Arun's last words? Goodbye, mother. What was the reaction of the woman at the end? She was, because he shows the gratitude. So she was looking at him silently till last. These are the questions orally we discussed. You no need to write the question and answers. I will give in other class. Thank you.